How to clear disk space on your laptop or a PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can clear disk space on your laptop or your PC. So to do that, first of all, go to Start, which is right over here. After that, go to Settings. Now go to System. After that, scroll down until you see the option Storage. Simply tap on it. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can delete temporary files, installed apps, documents, others over here, but for now let's simply scroll down and then tap on the option Cleanup Recommendations. Simply tap on it and then it'll provide you the recommendations what you can delete in order to clean up your computer. So since I just cleaned my computer yesterday, it is showing no unused apps, no files synced to the cloud, no large or unused files since I just cleared them yesterday. But in your case, they will show up over here and then you will be able to delete them from here. Now if you want, you can also delete your downloads or you can clear your recycle bin from here, but for now I'll simply not do them as these are important. And if you want, you can go to temporary files and then delete all of these things right over here. All you have to do is scroll up and then tap on the option remove files. Now tap on the option continue and then it will erase some space from your disk. Now you can keep doing this. You can go to your installed apps, you can sort them by size, and then let's say you don't need this Adobe Acrobat right over here, which is consuming 581 megabytes. So simply uninstall this app right over here, and then 581 MBs will be cleared from your computer. So keep doing this for other apps or the data and other files on your computer, and then you'll have surely cleaned up your disk space on your laptop. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.